Welkom by die laat-aandvermaak van TV4.
There's a special movie bonanza for you to enjoy the start of the Easter weekend with
Cabaret wat verskeie Oscars gewen het, onder andere vir die beste rolprent en die beste aktrise.
Liza Minnelli stars as the eccentric nightclub singer Sally Bowles in this musical set in pre-World War II Berlin.
Daarna bied die eiesoortige familielede van die Vanelli Boys vir ons 'n gesonde dosis humus in die voorlaaste episode Italian-American Gigolo.
And finally, Music à la carte features the musical talents of Ian Von Nemety, Sue Kelly Christie and Lazarus. It's all here on 4, the host with the most.
Môreaand om 9 bied 4 nog 'n aflewering van Benson aan.
The governor meets a former high school sweetheart and Benson inadvertently plays Cupid.
Daarna bespreek Storm en Beth haar vorige verhouding met Eric Forrester.
And Capital's Thomas and Elizabeth finally go out on a date.
Na die strijdlustige wêreld van Capital sluit ons aan by die love familie van Everything's Relative.
Loretta's detective skills are put to the test when the only witness to a murder is a mute. And make a note of the special sport transmission tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. Good night.
Dis smoesige nagrus.
Dinsdag aand se speelfilm op TV4 is That'll Be the Day met David Essex en Ringo Starr in die hoofrolle.
Sod the Congress of Vienna. I've had enough of sod in school. Tell him I got Jenkins' earache.
It's not much, admittedly, but it's home and it's free.
You're right, it's not much.
It's a shilling for them and a shilling for you. And wear your pants with the biggest pockets. They know it goes on, but as long as you're not bloody obvious, it's all right. They turn a blind eye. All right, then. 10 o'clock tonight in the Grotti Grotto. You and Air and me and him.
Your own songs?
What?
I mean, instead of always doing crummy Cliff Richard songs, you ever thought about writing your own?
No, not really.
Right. Sure you'll be able to handle it?
Yeah, I'll be all right.
Die speelfilm Dinsdag aand op TV4 is That'll Be the Day. Moet dit nie misloop nie.
Choose 4 tomorrow at 6 and 9 for a world of viewing magic.
Wanneer ons met nog 'n episode van Black's Magic begin.
Alex helps a diplomat's wife defect. And in First You Cry, a TV newswoman hosting a documentary about breast cancer and surgery discovers that she has a malignant lump on her breast.
En om die aand se uitsending mee af te sluit, bied 4 'n spesiale musikale geleentheid aan.
The 3rd annual MTV Video Music Awards of 1986.
Onthou, dis 4 vir 'n wêreld van musiek en vermaak. Goeienaand.
Pleasant dreams.
Ons sluit ons uitsending af met 'n kykie na vanaand se programme.
At 6 tonight, 4 introduces a new comedy series, Day by Day. And the second part of our early transmission covers the latest happenings on the sports scene in top sport.
In the Colbys word die stryd om Fallon se aandag nog tussen Jeff en Miles voort. En om 5 minute voor 10 sorg ons oorgeklankte drama Misdaad vir spanning.
Another new comedy, My Two Dads, follows at 25 to 12. From 4 all at 4. Good night.
Tot vanaand om 6. Lekker slaap. Hierdie aand geniet. Môre om 6:00 is ons terug met 4 se tweetalige vasvra-program Coots.
Our second transmission tomorrow starts as usual at 9. Line of Fire is the trauma center episode just after 9.
In Kate en Ellie ontvang Emma 'n vreemde geskenk van Max en dit gaan waarskynlik nie baie waardeer word nie.
Charlie Dix and Mike Hales are Clive Bruce's guests in Sing Country at 10:20 tomorrow night.
TV4 sluit sy uitsending môre aand af met Topsport. Ons nooi hom weer môre te kom deel in 4 se pret en plesier.
Till tomorrow, good night.
Totsiens.
Stay with Paul for plenty of fun and humor with Cheers.
Diane en Sam se liefdesdrome word verbroken deur 'n huweliksraadgewer se ongewenste advies. Gus en Joe se vaardigheid word op die proef gestel terwyl 'n vriendin van Chris met 'n ernstige probleem worstel in Saterdag aand se aflewering van Our House.
Mrs. Witherspoon, did you know that girls are prohibited from trying out for the boys' softball team?
Yeah, but that's why they call it a boys' team, huh?
We're trying to round up support for a girls' team.
I think that's fair.
Chris thought you might like to be our coach.
How about me?
Would you like to coach our team?
What's so funny about that? I just got a picture of you coaching girls softball. I want you to think of that ball as if it were a fragile bird. And you want to help that fragile bird to take flight. The ball, smash it. Knock the stuffing out of it. Pow! Right in the bleachers. You understand me? I want you to go out there and have fun. Now let's play ball.
Can I have a sip?
Probably not.
Why?
I don't want to get your mom and grandpa down on me. This is pineapple juice plus.
Plus what?
Vodka.
Do you do this a lot?
What? Drink?
Bonnie, what you need is help.
Sluit Saterdag aand om ongeveer 20 minute oor 10 by 4 aan vir Our House. Binnekort knip 'n onverwagte gebeurtenis skors as 'n kat en muis speletjie met Alex Torres kop.
The original Portuguese soundtrack of Paulista Boulevard is on regional radio.